Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn newsletter strategy with Substack integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account and accessing your profile. Navigate to the Manage Newsletters section within your LinkedIn dashboard. Review your current newsletter performance and identify areas for improvement. Decide on the theme and objectives of your newsletter. Ensure your content aligns with your professional brand and target audience. Next, head to Substack.com and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged into Substack, create a new publication. Customize your publication's design to reflect your personal or company branding. Craft compelling content in Substack that resonates with your audience. Consider using a mix of articles, interviews, and community highlights. Publish your newsletter on Substack and promote it through your existing LinkedIn connections. Add a link to your Substack publication in your LinkedIn newsletter settings. This will allow your LinkedIn audience to easily access your Substack content. Promote your newsletter regularly on LinkedIn to keep your audience engaged. Utilize LinkedIn's built-in features such as posts and articles to share snippets of your newsletter. Engage with your audience through comments and discussions on LinkedIn. Monitor the performance of both your LinkedIn newsletter and Substack publication. Analyze the metrics to refine your strategy over time. Consider collecting feedback from your readers to improve future editions. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and enhance your LinkedIn newsletter strategy with Substack integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.